So, but the project managers, team leads are forcing them to do that task within the time. So, at that point of time, we will be getting stress. That is the reason why people in IT industry will get these diseases very soon because of the stress only. So, is coding is 100% required to get IT job in IT industry? To get a job in IT industry. This is a very common question what people used to have. If we want to enter into a software company, do we require any coding skills? Is 100% it is necessary to learn a language, to learn a coding? It is necessary? Yeah, let me answer this question. So before answering this question, fourth question, let me move on to fifth question. After answering this fifth question, I will answer the fourth question. Okay, na? So what are the different departments in IT industry? So there are different departments in IT industry, guys. So as you can see on my screen, I have only mentioned a few of them. See, there are several departments like accounts and finance, department, sales and marketing department, infrastructure department, research and development department, learning and development department, IT services department, product development department, admin department, security and transport department, payroll department. So we used to have different departments in a software company. We used to have different departments in a software company. So let us discuss each and every department. What are they doing? So accounts and finance, they usually deal with some financial issues. What company is investing. Accounts and finances will mainly concentrating on financial issue of a company. HR team. There are you know about HR. HR is nothing but human resource person who used to hire the people for a company. So some HRs will roam around the colleges with their own procedures. Hire. They will hire the people for a specific company. Okay, na. In this HR, some people will move to every college and they used to hire some HRs. What they used to do is they are in the company, and some HRs will what they used to do is if they will check the performance of each and every employee. They will check whether an employee is coming in time or going out time within the working hours. He is working fine or not. What is his average working hours? Is he is coming late, or so one kind of HR team will be focusing on employee performances. One kind of HR team, they are working for hiring the people. Okay, na, there are two kinds of HRs basically. So sales and marketing people, what they will do is they will get the projects. They will market themselves. So if there is a company, what they will do is they will there are there we need to get some projects to do. So if you want major projects are from different foreign countries, so one company must read marketing team to market their company, and there should be some sales and marketing team uh, to market their products, and to get some projects into the our projects into our company. So infrastructure team will provide the infrastructures like computers, ACs, keyboards, monitors, so whatever, etc., etc. If you want any infrastructure, they will provide the infrastructure for an working employees. So research and development team is a team where they will be working on different innovate things. So now machine learning, artificial intelligence, these are booming, right? So what they used to do is they will read some research papers. They will work on that. How to what is enhancements that are being needed. So they will work on that. They will research and they will develop something. Learning and development team is a just like a training team. They will train the people. They will the freshers whoever are coming. What they will do is they will train them within the stipulated amount of time, and they will provide some learning portals, and and they will insert them into the company. They will give them some task. This is what generally IT industries uh, uh, will give training in such a way that uh, they used to follow task based learning. They used to follow task based learning. IT services team, there is a team called IT services team. There is a team called a product development team. So this is what product development is a team where product will be developed. So product will be developed. So in this product development teams, there are three types of there are three sub uh, teams in this product development. First one is business analyst. What business analyst will do is business analyst will prepare an SRS document. Prepare an SRS document that is required to develop a project. So everything will be mentioned in this SRS document that is being prepared by the business analyst, and business analyst will assign the task to the each and every person in the team. He is also called a scrum master in some companies. So what this business analyst will do is he is a person who gets all the requirements, and he used to develop a SRS document, and he will assign all the tasks. So if there is a resource, if there is a developer, what he used to do this day, what he used to complete by this weekend, after within this sprint, how many screens he need to develop. In that screen, what is the functionality he need to write? Everything will be mentioned in that SRS document. So that is being done right. Uh, that is being handled by business analyst. The second team in project development is developers team. In this software development team, people are this is a team where coding is required. In this software development team, people used to develop things. They used to learn different technologies, and they used to developer in the sense he used to develop some things. Some If there is a project to design a website, that website is being developed by a developer. Okay, na? The development part is done by the software developer, and there is third team called as testing team. This is also called as QA team. What testing team will do is whatever the thing that is being developed by the developer, that is being tested by this testing team. For testing team, there is a different types of testing techniques, that is unit testing, black box testing, white box testing, regression testing, integrated integration testing. So there are different types of techniques. They will follow that techniques, and they will they will test the they will test the things that are being developed by the developer. Okay, now these are the three teams where in which project is being developed. Okay, now admin department will help us with some administrative issues. If you want to install a software, we cannot install that directly, because a huge companies will not. There is every time there is a chance of hacking, right? So all that will be handled by the admin team. Admin team only will give us the admin right to install that software. That is being handled by the admin department. Security and transport department. Security team, there is one more team called security. Security is one of the major issue, because it is our data should be safe, and our data should not be stolen by someone. So there is separate team called as security team, and